Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Mabel Lopez's channel. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Mabel Lopez, neuropsychologist and brain expert. Today, we're diving into something super important, stress management. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just need a little boost, I've got 5 simple tricks that can make a huge difference in your life. And trust me, these methods actually work. First up, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. This is a great way to calm your mind when you're feeling overwhelmed. Here's how it works. Look around and name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. Tip number 2, get moving. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's amazing for your mind too. Whether it's a quick walk, a yoga session, or dancing in your room, physical activity releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals. And don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon. A little bit goes a long way. Next, let's talk about journaling. It might sound old school, but writing down your thoughts can help you process emotions and gain clarity. Plus, it's a great way to track your progress and celebrate small wins. So grab a pen and start jotting down your thoughts. You'll be amazed at how freeing it can be. Strategy number 4, digital detox. We all know social media can be a double-edged sword. While it's great for staying connected, it can also contribute to stress and anxiety. Try setting aside some time each day to unplug. Use that time to read, meditate, or just enjoy some quiet. Your mind will thank you. Last but not least, practice gratitude. Taking a moment each day to think about what you're thankful for can shift your mindset and improve your mood. You can do this in your head, write it down, or even share it with a friend. It's a simple habit that can make a big impact. And there you have it, 5 easy techniques to manage your stress. Remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, share this with someone who could use a little mental health boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.